built for the productivity and daily life focus area. Mandi vendors in the West Bengal lose significant revenue because real-time market trends are buried in the complex English data dashboard. These VD vendors doesn't have a laptop on the market floor, but they do use WhatsApp. Mandi-Alert bridges this gap by turning raw pricing data into instant hyper-localized insight. Pipeline relies on the strict division of labor. Panja does the arithmetic and Gemma handles the language. We insist public monthly price data from Agar Market Net as a CSV and clean it under to isolate true price anomalies from daily noise. The data layer computes are about 7 days rolling baseline price. If the current price diverges from more than 5% from this rolling average, reflect it as an anomaly and trigger the alert. When that plus minus 5% threshold is closed, the inference layer triggers. We deployed Google Gamma 3 for VIT running locally in the VF Pro 16, which uses the 4B variant because it provides the ultra low latency on a single Kaggle GPU. And crucially, it performs smaller edge models by generating highly accurate native scripts and output in Hindi and Bengali with zero language mixing error. All the language reasoning Turing numbers into explainable advice is done by Gemma, not an external API. For example, when our pipeline detected a native 28% price drop of onion, Gemma transforms that raw fact into this precise two-sentence alert. It tells the vendor exactly what happened and gives a clear recommendation on whether to sell or wait or buy. You can see the raw duration played below there. This schema matters exactly what a WhatsApp or SMS gateway would expect. So the next step is just wiring it to production API. Finally, the pipeline automatically plot this 30-day C1 trend chart to visually highlight the alert trigger point. Right now, the system focuses on key commodities in the West Bengal. Moving forward, we plan to expand this to the rank all regional markets simultaneously, cover more crops and incorporate local weather data. Mandi-Alert bridges the gap between raw data and localized real-time productivity tools, putting the power of Gemma directly into the hands of the people who feed Bharat. Thank you.